Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna look into one of the uh, uh, errors from Facebook, and most people who do marketing and promoting of products, they have a problem with that. When they face that problem, so it becomes very difficult for them to know when, and most of them, they do try their best to see if they can fix this error, but then they end up getting no solution. So I'm gonna look into the error, and I believe we should come up with something what to do. So now don't even think that it's only you who faces this problem. Many people faces this problem, but anyway, why are we facing this problem? So look at this. Once you use your stuff, once you try to post a link, it says this URL goes against our community standards on spam. So that's the error we get. So I've got this error on when I try to use two domains. So I'm gonna use the first domain and look at it, and also look at the second domain. So this first domain, I can say okay, I can say view2tech.com. I post. You can see I can manage to post this domain, and I can click on that domain. It takes me to that domain straight, you see, with no problems, nothing. So from there I go back to Facebook. I do the same thing on another domain. Okay, then we post. You see, we get this error. So it gives us, it says this URL goes against our community standards on spam. Then you say continue. It says we use the same community standards too around the world and everyone on Facebook. We use either technology or review team to prevent anything that doesn't follow our standards from being posted. Different regions of the world have their own review teams trained on the standards. Then click continue. When you click continue, they say we don't allow people to post deceptive or misleading URLs. This includes things such as websites with spammy pop-ups, websites that pretend to be well-known brands, misleading websites, URL previously posted by suspicious accounts. Then you say continue. It says you can't post this because the URL goes against our community standards on spam. Accept decision, disagree. If we disagree, what happens? They say thank you for your feedback. We use this to make improvements on our future decisions. I say okay. Okay, after doing that, do these guys gonna help you anyway? They do what? They don't help you in any way. So simply means this domain, they say, based on what I think, maybe you bought a domain which was used before, and this domain people are trying to were using fake accounts on Facebook to post some links. So since it was maybe detected by Facebook that this this domain was used by some accounts to post some different what spam links, so the domain was blocked. So since your domain is blocked, try to write to Facebook, as some people gonna tell you that write to Facebook, but I won't lie to you, chances are very slim that this guy is gonna open this domain. So the most I think the best way to avoid this is if this domain is new, it's difficult to be blocked when it's new. But if it was blocked and you know you use Facebook a lot, or to make your advertisements or whatever, you must create a new domain. Because if you go to ads and you try to create ads in the space where you put the website, this website is not going to be allowed. In the space where you put your email when you're creating a new advert, you're not going to be allowed to create that email, like maybe info@thatwebsite.com. So for instance, let's try to see if you can go on ads. Where's ads? Go to pages, leave this. Okay, like this, one of the websites also which were blocked. So I tried to make also an advert and I tried to put in that website. It could not work. When we click on, let me click here, and I say add center, and say create ads, and I say promote your basically whatever, get more website visitors. Okay, when you click there, I'm waiting for the system to respond. Okay, this website I did write to Facebook. Let me see if they unblocked it. I wrote to Facebook a couple of months ago. You go back to Facebook. Okay. Yes guys, I believe the trick worked. If you can see in one of my videos, let me post. You can see now we can post on this. So if you can see in one of my videos, old videos, when we talk about the param stuff, I'll maybe link the video on this video. This website could not post anything. So what you do, when you go to ads, there is a way you can write to Facebook. I did write 3 months ago on this website, and I applied it and it was fixed. Now it can post stuff on Facebook. So now what we're gonna do, let me get something. I'm gonna link the video into here. You're gonna see how to write on Facebook, to write to Facebook to unblock your website. But I did try it before. Let me see. Let me get. There's something I wanted to show you, but if I don't get it, it's fine. But now we discover, I didn't even know that they did unblock that website. So let me go here. When you try to create button, let me see, promote. Let me see, promote. See what I'm gonna do. Website. Okay. Please enter URL. Okay, this one is gonna happen. I'm gonna put in the same website, the one which was rejected. Okay. Now also this website is being it's being ticked, maybe simply because I did also write to this. Let me see. So it was not giving me this before, so I'm gonna link the video into this what, remember, this is the same website we've been trying there. Also on adverts, this website could not work before, so it was showing an error. Let me go here. Oh, let me go back. I saw something. When you try to promote, okay, when you put in the URL here, there's a message you're gonna see. Okay, yeah. Okay, it said yes, but now this is the thing we used to see, unable to generate review. Yeah, this is the same message we used to see before into when we're using that URL. So they say write to Facebook, so you're gonna see and learn how to write to Facebook so that this domain can be allowed. So in this first video I did it on another domain, and I didn't know that it's gonna work, but by the end of the day it worked, something which I really don't believe that it worked, but it has worked. So in the previous video I did it, so even I'm going to communicate to my client to tell him that the website was unblocked. So I prefer to do what, to watch the video which I'm gonna show you I'm gonna put it in the description. You watch it how to do that. So but anyway, it's not something difficult. Let me copy this. When you post this in Google, you can get that URL where you gonna forget the URL, but it's the video where you're going to write to Facebook. Paste this in here and see. Okay, this is one of the videos. Yeah, this is one of my videos. This one come on the first what? Okay, facebook.com API review. Okay, yeah, let me see. Even change. Also there's something good on this. You can read also on this page, but anyway, I want you to watch the video. The second video I'm gonna link into here. This is the video. If you put in the error, this is the first video comes. It's gonna be from Azania's tutorials. You watch it, you're gonna see how to write to Facebook, but it's gonna take something like a month maybe, because I did this in lockdown around March. Let me see, May, yeah, May, June, July. We in September. It took 4 months for that website to be unblocked. So I'm gonna also get time and do the one I've done. I've been trying to check now to see if they can open it. So it took 4 months. So now if you are willing to wait for 4 months, maybe they're gonna open it, maybe they won't. Even me, this one, they open it without me knowing that they're gonna open it. So what you can do, you can open a new domain and use a new domain for meantime. Then after you also apply, you see maybe in 3 to 4 months they're gonna open this for you. but there's a URL where it says Facebook something. In that video I did explain. So you get that link and you write to Facebook. You're gonna put in your website, then it will show you. Then you start your application and write some stuff. Then we see if they're gonna open it. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any question to ask, please ask. Then we'll see you in the next video.